Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sell print-on-demand items on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the top left corner your name and your account settings, billing, email notifications, purchases, and the logout. We of course have your store where you can check out all about your store, and we have the marketing in the left corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell print-on-demand items on Sellfy. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these 2 steps to know how to do it. So here we have customize your store in the middle of the screen, but under it we have add your product. Click on that button. Prep products for purchase. Upload files, written description, and browse the print on demand section. Click on add my product. Here, as you can see, the print on demand option is the second one. So we have digital product, and underneath that we have print on demand. Sell custom printed t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more, where we manage printing and shipping. Click on there. And here you can go and put everything about your product, and of course then just go and save your product. So basically when you click on there, put everything that you want and save your product. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.